Is it the right time to make a decision about Boeing stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into the world of Boeing. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 13, 2023. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential to stay informed about any developments that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 6, 2023, our system has rated Boeing as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, Boeing has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 6.01% since we recommended buying it just 6 days ago. This translates to an impressive average return of 1% per day since we categorized it as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next move, as it could go either way. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 19.61% change in the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return between minus 34.13% and minus 19.61%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 5.56% change in the next year. This indicates a potential return between minus 7.93% and 25.22%. In other words, the price could range from $188.31 to $256.12 after 12 months. Our latest update on Boeing brings news that the evaluation of Boeing stock has been downgraded after the last trading session. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 13, 2023, the Boeing stock price experienced a gain of 4.01%, increasing from $196.65 to $204.54. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.14%, reaching a low of $202.51 and a high of $206.85. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 12.17% after gaining in 8 out of the last 10 days. Additionally, the volume of shares traded has increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, there were 8 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.63 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Boeing stock was $243.10, while the lowest price was $168.52. Currently, the price is 15.86% or $38.56 below the 52-week high, and it is 54.14% or $241.47 below the all-time high, which was reached on March 1, 2019, with a price of $446.01. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for Boeing. On Tuesday, October 31, 2023, Northcoast Research upgraded Boeing with a buy grade. And just a few days earlier, on Thursday, October 26, 2023, Goldman Sachs also rated Boeing as a buy, but with a hold action. Morgan Stanley, also on October 26, 2023, gave Boeing an equal weight grade with a hold action. Similarly, RBC Capital also rated Boeing as a hold but with a sector perform grade. Going back a bit further, on Wednesday, September 13, 2023, Susquehanna gave Boeing a positive grade, again with a hold action. Analysts have given Boeing stock a general sell rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong sell and price to book as also a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a more neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Boeing stock. The Boeing stock is showing positive signs as both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a good forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals also gives a general buy signal, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In terms of support, there are key levels to watch out for. The lines at $195.11 and $188.57 are expected to provide support in case of corrections down. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Looking at recent trends, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, October 25, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 15.08%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that you might find useful for your investment decisions. First up is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a buy signal. We also have the pivots, showing a buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands are another indicator to watch, as they gave a buy signal just 1 day ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average is signaling a buy 12 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal 6 days ago. Moving on, let's analyze the 12-month chart to gain further insights. The short moving average is indicating a buy signal 11 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is showing a sell signal 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 38 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Boeing. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple to keep in mind for Boeing. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $193.53 and $184.91. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $193.53 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $184.91 and $177.73. Moving on to risk, it's considered to be medium for Boeing. The stock has average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the stock experienced a $4.34 price range between its high and low, which amounts to a 2.14% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.73%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Boeing, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other important news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for January 24, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.720. It's crucial to keep a close eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to dive into the potential day trading levels for Boeing. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Boeing sits at $217.31. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the flip side, Boeing encounters its first support level at $193.53. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock price. The average rating for Boeing, according to multiple analyst sources, is sell. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 2, 2023, Bradway Robert A. made an insider purchase of 467,881 shares of phantom stock units. On October 2, 2023, Dottie Lynn M. made an insider purchase of 263,595 shares of phantom stock units. On October 2, 2023, Gitlin David L. made an insider purchase of 441,521 shares of phantom stock units. On October 2, 2023, Goodlin J. made an insider purchase of 467,881 shares of phantom stock units. On October 2, 2023, Harris Stace D. made an insider purchase of 441,521 shares of phantom stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be positive with a ratio of 149.497. Overall, insiders have purchased 249,996 shares and sold 27,402 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is $197.54, representing a decrease of 3.42%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 stands at 79, which significantly increases the risk associated with this stock. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 13 days ago. Is Boeing stock a good buy? While Boeing does have several positive signals, we believe they are not enough to make it a strong buy candidate. At its current level, we consider it a hold candidate, meaning you should hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further development. There are some small weaknesses in the technical picture that have led us to downgrade our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. When we analyze the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, November 14th, we expect Boeing to open up $0.0930 and start trading at $204.63. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to present you with our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.